Hello, today we are going to make one of my family's secret recipes. At least this is the way that I make it. This is a Kraft dinner casserole. It's really delicious. To begin with, I've got a couple tablespoons of sriracha, about quarter of a cup of butter, 2 cans of tuna, 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, and a box of Kraft dinner. To begin our process, we're going to cook the Kraft dinner the standard method. Large amount of boiling water and dumping in the noodles. Now make sure you pull your package out before you dump in the noodles, or else it'll go in the water, and I've done that more times than I can count. And in 5 or 6 minutes we're draining our water off of the noodles, and you can always do a firmness test on your noodles to see where they are if you don't want to use a timer. And then we simply dump our noodles back into our vessel, adding in our cheese and butter. And then we proceed to begin with the stirring mechanism. It doesn't matter if you go clockwise or counterclockwise. It works pretty much the same. So we just keep kind of stirring around. And here's where we're going to start our casserole project. We're simply going to begin by adding our extra cheese. Now I find adding the real cheese with the American style cheese makes well, it has quite the effect. And the tuna, it goes really good in Kraft dinner for some reason. I don't know why. My family's always done this. I don't know if everybody does this, but it's pretty delicious. So we're just going to add in our hot sauce, kind of making a mess there, getting it all over the place. My hand is now covered in hot sauce, so now the stirring stick is covered in hot sauce, which is kind of unfortunate, but that is just the way it happens sometimes. I'm going to add a little bit more extra hot sauce here to make up for what I lost on my hands. Oh well. And we're just going to continue stirring. Okay, we are 90% of the way done now. Now you can add salt and pepper here if you want. I know some people really like to add a lot of pepper to their Kraft dinner, but I'm not really big on that. So we're just going to add this to a casserole dish. And I used all my cheese, so I had to grate more, and then sprinkle some extra cheese on top. And then we're going to bake this in the oven for a standard amount of time till the cheese on top is kind of bubbly. You might want to get a little bit of caramelization on it too. That might be pretty good. And then we're done. I did mine at 350. I don't know if I said that. I don't think I did, but I did say it now, so then I can say I said it. And there we go. This stuff is amazing. Make this at home, try it, let me know your thoughts in the comments below, or if your family has some other crazy secret technique for making this stuff, let me know, because I'd really like to extend my reach with Kraft dinner. Till next time, stay awesome.